also make sure my lens is clean, because you don't want to be recording and then you find when you're done that actually you were recording on a lens that is not clean. Yes, it is. Okay, so today I will be doing an unboxing of some products I just received from one of my favorite black-owned brands in South Africa. So an unboxing is where a brand sends someone who has a lot of followers on Instagram or Twitter, and some like to sort of refer themselves as influencers, content creators, or public figures. Which one do I fall into? I don't know. I just love taking pictures and sharing them with my followers and people that I follow, obviously. So yes, today Masodi Organics, which is one of the female black-owned brands in South Africa, has sent me a package. I know it's so big, and I'm also so excited to see what's actually inside. It's one of the leading black brands in South Africa in the space of beauty and just hair and skin products, and you should check it out. You can follow them on their social media accounts. I have added them just down there. Okay, so in my hand, obviously I have wine, which is my sister's brand. Black owned, okay, black owned and female owned. This is the 2019 red blend. It is the 2019 red blend, which is one of my favorite for a cold day like this one. This is my sister's wine, and this is my sister's gown. Okay, let me unbox this. Let me unbox this. So you can also follow Siwena Wines on all their social media accounts. It's a great brand. If you are into wine or you're just into supporting black brands, then you should definitely check it out. They have 10 wines in total, and one of them is named after my mother. I know, big deal. Okay. Let me open this and let's see what's in it. Your dreams, fetch your life. Is that record? One of two. One of two. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. She thinks I deserve this. Oh gosh, thank you so much, Liz. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? Because I'm like really so excited right now. Just to calm my nerves. Yeah, because I'm like really so excited right now. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, so fancy. Oh my god. You must never. One thing that you need to know, you must never doubt black women in business. They make sure from packaging to like the content of their products to like the service. You must not take chances. Scratch your chance. You must not take chances. I don't remember the last time I actually did an unboxing of like such a luxurious brand. Ooh, how do we open? Okay, I'm really bad at this. Okay, I'm gonna have to just like force open. Can't really open this box. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this is so nice, guys. like a hair and scalp cleanser. And this is like a hair mask. Oh, I need that definitely. Do you see this mess? And this is a daily hair cream. Ooh, black owned, darling. Do you see this perfection? Do you see the luxury? Do you see the, oh my God. Definitely obsessed with this brand. And this is the hand cream. This is gonna stay in my handbag, but I'm only gonna use it when I'm like around people who deserve to, like, you know, see me with like some lush products on. And bath salts. Ooh, I've never tried this actually. And you know, their products are not tested on animals, mineral oil free, and yeah, I cannot wait to try these. And this is a body wash. Hey, it was never that like we were. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I need to see if this thing is still recording, because this is an iPhone. Your iPhone in space. Okay, so we move to the second box. Yeah. You know, it's so important as a professional and just like as a woman, you know, spoil yourself once in a while. And I can tell you that these products are reasonable, like price wise. I have checked them like several times, and I also follow their page and see regularly what they post, and sometimes they do have these packages where you can get these products at like a reasonable combo price. And in here, ooh, they sent you amazing gifts. Yeah. I can already just like smell, oh my goodness. Absolutely. Oh, wow. Okay, this is like a protein treatment. You know, this woman means business. Wow, a candle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And this is whipped shea butter. You can use it for your skin and your hair as well. And what else do we have here? Bubble bath. Oh, I deserve that. I deserve. Oh my gosh, she sent me this as well. Oh, these are cute candles. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, I love scented candles. I cannot wait to try these. And of course, I have to open a bottle of MCC for this. Like, definitely I need to treat myself today. Thank you so much, guys, for, you know, spoiling me. Sometimes I don't think I deserve it. Okay, I think I deserve it most of the time, but we are not there. But I'm so excited to try these products and show you guys how they, you know, they interact with my skin and everything. Thank you.